Good morning, friends. How is life? I would like to tell you regarding yoga. In yoga, we have 9 pranayam and 52 asanas. So, I will tell you about Brastika pranayam. Brastika word is actually taken from Sanskrit, and it is when you deep breathing slowly, then exhale slowly. Deep breathing slowly and exhale slowly. I'm shooting this video at Dubai Creek, 4:50 a.m. and you can enjoy your life with early morning walking and deep breathing, some asanas. You have to believe, you have to believe in the system. If there is no belief, there is no benefit. It all depends upon your mindset. If you are thinking that you can get benefit from yoga, you will get benefit. If you are thinking nothing will happen with yoga or with anything, nothing will happen. That is all waste of your time. So surrender yourself in Guruji. Adopt a Guruji anywhere in the world and surrender yourself. When you surrender, your mind will be empty. If your mind is empty, something will go inside the mind. Do something every day. Make a routine. Inhale deep breathing. Exhale deep breathing. Then second is we are doing Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati, inhale deeply, then exhale forcefully. When you're tired, take 1 or 2 deep breaths. Normalize your breath. Now third is Anulom Vilom. Raise your right hand up. Exhale from left nostril. Inhale from the left nostril and exhale from the right nostril. Then inhale from the right nostril. Exhale from the left nostril. This is one circle. At least you have to make 50 circles in a day. Take from the left nostril. Exhale from the right nostril. Then inhale from the right nostril. Deep breathing. Then exhale longer time. Carbon dioxide. Inhale from the left nostril. Exhale from the nostril. Then third pranayam is we are making Tribandha. Kapalbhati Tribandha. Tribandha means 3 locks. You inhale from the sky. First one log, Jalandhar Bandha. Then second log, Udyan Bandha. Take your belly in. Exhale. And third one is Moola Bandha. 3 locks. No air inside your body. Pull your anus upward. And stay there. When you cannot hold your breath, then unlock the 3 bandha, Jalandhar bandha, Udyan bandha and Mool bandha. Take 1 or 2 deep breaths. Do it every day. Deep breathing. Inhale deeply. Look at the sky. Exhale deeply. Wide open your arms. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Do it at least 1 month and feel the difference. There is no expenses, no charges, and it is all free of cost. So do not waste your money with doctors and hospitals. Just come with the nature and enjoy. Everything is free from the God. You have to do it and enjoy. Your life will totally change. Thank you.